I have heard it described that OER work could be used as a almost like a hack's not a right word, but a very effective means to for faculty to work toward an excellence in teaching assessment because it requires semester by semester you're continuing to see what worked, what didn't work, you're assessing and revising, because it is often a misconception that it's simply the number of courses you teach in your student assessments of your course, right? And it's just whatever number in the sort of like evaluations, right? Which is not the case, right? Sort of like for that kind of, you need to be demonstrating innovation, development, assessment, right? These very active things. And it sounds like, yeah, in doing this kind of ongoing semester by semester work, you're doing that. Would you agree that sort of like the work that continually is required for this kind of OER work? Um, Assuming you're doing it right and it's not just like a one and done, right? And then you're not working on it afterwards, it is involves, all of these areas of innovation and development and assessment that um that are required for those sort of assessments.
I don't really know how to answer that other than, I guess, just trying to make the progress.
Mm-hmm.
I think in any way, in any form of teaching, even if you were using traditional textbooks, I think it's really easy to get into a rut,
Mm-hmm.
right? And so even with an OER textbook, you can be like, I'm just going to take this book as it is and just go with it. And you can still get yourself into a rut. And so I think just, a hallmark of a good teacher is somebody who's always trying to find the best ways to engage their students and help them on their learning journey.
I think I worded that question really badly because I was thinking of it as I was asking it. Fortunately I can edit this because I'm recording it, but I will try again. um It sounds like what you're saying is that if you're doing this work and you're continuing to sort of assess and refine and getting to that point where it really starts to gel, that you're also doing sort of, continual assessment and improvement, both of materials and student performance, and then instructor feedback. And is that the case for doing this kind of project well?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, okay. Um, um, yeah, that was a much better way to sort of ask it, I feel like. Yeah. That's what I get for like trying to come up with a question as I'm asking it. And then I'm like, come on, brain, you can do this. And then I'm like, and then it's like, and then brain fails me. But